定只能正经就没有。
哎，你洋葱饭呀？
玉就变你玉子了的饭了，你只敢别瞧你了，给你瞧个太阳给他，你过来附近屋头头多，这个你玉就得去的。用笔喷红狼狈，喝下的都几假的。过年过北等过一个，过年过来干，过菜婆婆过哪个，过老古山，你妈忘都不配学给大家做语不，巨辣丢语。
下吧，累吧。
你要背语做合理呢，谁学你的难，你这个咋能做给阿外谁学？
你能拿噻，你非写照写上。
你就得去哪多时候一直没有饭呀？
那难长吃了对吧？
阿妈，给你吃给你，阿妈。
Hey guys, today we are gonna talk about the Chinese dialect. In fact, all of our videos will be focused only one Wu Chinese dialect, Wenzhounese, which is known as the devil's language for its complexity and difficulty. For example, 贼修, Yongxiu, which means left hand and right hand. I am a young man who was originally from Wenzhou, but now I can't speak the local dialect anymore. However, I'm interested in relearning it, and I believe that creating YouTube channel and sharing some tips and kits about Wenzhounese would be a valuable asset to improve my language skills. The first question in this video is where is Wenzhou, or 玉就在哪度 in Wenzhounese. We all know where the major cities of China are, but where is Wenzhou? Wenzhou is located in Zhejiang province, far to the southeast of other major cities of Zhejiang. Its borders connect Leshui to the west, Taizhou to the north, and Fujian to the south. It is known for its vibrant economy, entrepreneurial spirit, unique language, and culture. What makes the Wenzhounese feel proud of is the city's fairness. It is home to many successful privately owned businesses, and has been called the Wenzhou model for its entrepreneurial culture and small-scale manufacturing. Wenzhou is also a hub for international trade, and is known for its production of shoes, glasses, and other goods. In this city, you can see beautiful natural landscapes, including mountains, beaches, and scenic waterways. What is Wenzhounese, or 语就在你 in Wenzhounese? Wenzhounese is a dialect of the Wu Chinese language family. About the Wu languages, it is a major group of scenic languages spoken primarily in Shanghai, Zhejiang province, and the part of Jiangsu province south of the Yangtze River, which makes up the cultural region of Wu, and dialects like Shanghainese, Suzhou dialect,
我感觉日渐跨越却再来追。曾經與文真這個愛人抱了個門人，我奮起珍惜。實在失去嘅辰光，我最愛了。
or Taizhou dialect,
一年後，離年起，賺鈔票使人發財。
is what we see now, the Wu Chinese. Talking back to Wenzhounese, it is spoken mainly in the Wenzhou area of Zhejiang province in southeastern China. It is also known as Ojiang dialect, named after the old river, because of its difference with other Wu languages. Wenzhounese is the most commonly spoken language in the Wenzhou area, and is a key part of the local culture. Many people in Wenzhou continue to use the dialect in their daily lives and conversations, even though Mandarin is the official language of China. As a Wenzhou native, I'm proud that one day I will be able to speak Wenzhounese fluently and naturally. What is the uniqueness of Wenzhounese, or 语就无自能连也 in Wenzhounese? While all Wu dialects share some common features, There are several key differences that set Wenzhounese apart from other Wu dialect. Wenzhounese has a more complex tonal system than other Wu dialects, with 8 tones compared to the 5 or 6 tones found in other Wu dialects. The extra tones in Wenzhounese are believed to have developed due to the influence of non-Chinese languages, such as Japanese or Korean, which were introduced through trade and cultural exchange. Wenzhounese has a unique vocabulary that is distinct from other Wu dialects and from standard Mandarin Chinese. This is due to Wenzhou's long history of cultural exchange and trade with other regions, as well as its isolation from neighboring regions. The pronunciation of Wenzhounese is different from other Wu dialects, with distinct vowel and consonant sounds that are not found in other Wu dialects. Wenzhounese has a different grammar structure than other Wu dialects, with different word orders and sentence structures. This can make it difficult for speakers of other Wu dialects to understand Wenzhounese and vice versa. That's just a brief introduction of Wenzhou and Wenzhounese. I'm still learning about the region, history, and change of Wenzhounese, as intermediate as you. If you like what I'm trying to do and want to join with me to witness my progress, please subscribe my channel.